What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. We just won some wheels from Cosmis Racing Wheels. They are the R10Ds, and we're going to do a test fit on the WRX. So let's get to it, guys. Here are the wheels. We opted out for the 18x9, 114x3, 35 plus offset. This hub bore is a little bit different, so we got some adapters, and then going with the sandy bronze. I think it's going to go well with the blue and bronze. So let's back out the works and then do a test fit. Also ended up getting some new lugs too, so these would black lugs will have a nice contrast to the bronze. And these are the hub-centric rings that's going to adapt to the stock size, oh no, sorry, to our stock size of our hub to the aftermarket wheels. So 77 to 56.1, or 73 to 56. Lower her down. After you put some meat, it'll be fine. Right by here. This is my daily driver, so I wanted to be comfortable. Clearance is super flush. That's gonna be nice. I think I might have to roll the fenders. We get some tires from Tony. Shout out to SoCal Z's. Yeah, it's been pretty sick. Big difference. So these stocks are actually 17s, and compared to the new ones, these are 19s. Super clean. Right, we did the backs too, so we can get a good look at it. So let's do it. Look at that fit, man. Ooh. Whew. Alright, fitment doesn't look bad at all. Actually, it's pretty damn good. Yeah, super flush. Look at that. I actually have to get some meat to get some stretch, but I feel like I have to roll these fenders anyways. Just get a hammer and call it a day. But look at that. That's so much better in stock. Ooh, what kind of fitment? What is that? I'm actually really happy with this. Damn. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this fitment is saucy. Very nice. So, pretty happy with it. I'm gonna research some tire specs. So what we want to do, get some tires from SoCal Z's, get a tire at Best Tire Shop. That's it. That's gonna do it for today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.